Welcome back to Beyond the Plate with Chef Ashton Garrett. Today we're going to be talking about vinaigrettes. Now, today I'm going to be making a balsamic vinaigrette, one of my personal favorites, but you can use any other type of vinegar that you would like. Most common are champagne, red wine, white wine vinegar, but we're going to use balsamic today. So the ratio for a vinaigrette is 1 part vinegar or citrus base to 3 parts oil. Now I'm using olive oil, but you can also use a neutral oil such as canola or avocado or sunflower, just to give it a different taste. So now, add the balsamic in. I'm gonna add honey Dijon mustard. Mustard is great in vinaigrettes because it provides body and a lot of good flavor. For the vinaigrette, also it acts as a stabilizer. Next, we're gonna add a little bit of minced shallots, roughly a teaspoon. Okay. And now we're gonna stream in our oil. Mix it up. And we're gonna slowly stream because if I were to add this all at once, it will break the vinaigrette, meaning that the oil and vinegar will separate. And we don't want that. We want to emulsify, meaning we want to combine together by the force of a whisk. So we're gonna slowly stream in our olive oil, whisking continuously. See, it's combined, it's not separated. I'm gonna stop here. Now we're gonna season a bit of salt and black pepper. And continue to season, continue to mix. Okay, now once we have that, now it's time to dress our salad. Now I have a small salad made with arugula, half cherry tomatoes, red onion. I'm gonna finish with Parmesan cheese. But now, I'm going to slowly drizzle over the salad with the vinaigrette. Now a helpful hint is that you actually wanna make your vinaigrettes or salad dressings a little salty and also a little acidic. This helps with the overall combination when it reaches the salad or the lettuce. Lettuce or greens are 80 to 90% water, which means that they're very bland. So when you add a vinaigrette, it's actually giving a great amount of taste to the salad. And that's it for vinaigrette. You can use a vinaigrette for any salad dressing or marinade that you choose. Thank you for joining me, Ashton Garrett, on this episode of Beyond the Plate. I hope to see you soon. Pick up a copy of my new cookbook entitled A Few of My Favorites and other exciting Beyond the Plate merchandise that are available for purchase on my website at chefashton.com. Also, please be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Let's cook.